Jai Hind everybody. So today we are taking the problems which are based on the area of triangle. Which are based on area of triangle. So this is question number first. We find the value of k for which the points 8, 1, k, minus 4 and 2, minus 5 are collinear. You have to find the value of k if the points are given collinear. So just look, suppose this is the point A, 8, 1, this is point B, k minus 4, and this is point C, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 5. Okay. So now just see, this is point, these are x1, y1, x2, y2, okay, and this is x3, y3. Now the area of triangle formed by these 3 points, that will be given by this formula 1/2 into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 or plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now just put the values of these. So what will happen? This is 1/2, 1/2, x1 is 8, y2 4 minus 4 minus 5 plus this is k minus 5 minus 1 plus this one, and in this way you will solve this. You will put the values. This minus will become plus k minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus 1 minus 4 is plus 4. So that is 1/2 into mod 8 into 1 minus 6 into k minus 6k plus 2 into 5 10. In this way you will proceed this, and finally you will get 9 minus 3k. 9 minus 3k. Now what is given? The points are collinear. The points are collinear. It means that these 3 are in a straight line. These 3 points are in a straight line. It means there is no triangle. If there is no triangle, then the area of the triangle will be 0. For the points, if they are collinear, the area of triangle should be 0. It means 9 minus 3k is equal to 0. So you will get the value of k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. It's okay. Now this is the another question. You find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, minus 2 and 2, 3. 2, 3. So first draw the rough sketch of this quadrilateral, and the vertices are taken in order. It means this is the first point, then second, then third, and then fourth. So we are taking in this way. This anti-clockwise we are writing them. -4, -2 is point A, -3, minus 5 is the point B, 3, minus 2 is the point C, and 2, 3 is the point D. This is point D. Now I am joining this diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is joined. This is joined. Now the quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles. First one is the lower one, triangle ABC and ADC. So now we will find the area of triangle ABC. This is vertex A, -4, -2, -3, -5 is the vertex B, and 3, minus 2 is the vertex C. Now just use the formula for area of the triangle. We will solve in this way, and we will get this one. 21/2 is the area of this triangle. 21/2 area of triangle ABC. Similarly, we will calculate the area of triangle ADC. ADC. This is point A, -4, -2. This is point D, 2, 3, and this is point C, 3, minus 2. When you will solve this, you will get the area of triangle ADC 35 upon 2. This is 35 upon 2. Now just look here. What will be the area of quadrilateral ABCD? The area of this quadrilateral will be equal to the sum of the areas of these two triangles. Triangle ABC plus triangle ADC. So that is 21 upon 2 plus 35 upon 2. 21 upon 2 plus 35 upon 2 is equal to 56 upon 2, and when you will divide, you will get 28 square unit. 28 square unit. So in this way, you can get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now, this is the coordinates of midpoint. Coordinates of midpoint. Suppose you are given 2 points A and B. The coordinates of point A is x1, y1, and coordinates of point B is x2, y2. And let this P is the midpoint of AB. This P is the midpoint of AB. Then the coordinates of the point P will be given by, you will add both the abscissas, yani x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then what will be the coordinate of the midpoint? Average of abscissa plus average of ordinates. So just look at this problem. We find the area of the triangle found by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So find the area of that triangle which is found by joining the midpoints of this given triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So now just look here. Let D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. Then coordinates of D will be, just look here, we will add the abscissa 2 plus 0 upon 2, comma 1 plus -1 upon 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1, 1 plus -1 is equal to 0 and 0 upon 2 is 0. So 1, 0, the coordinates of point D. Similarly, coordinates of point E. E is the midpoint of this BC. So what will happen? 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. That is 1 upon 1, 2. So what is the coordinate of this point E? 1, 2. 1, 2. And the next one, the coordinates of point F. This is the midpoint AC. So 0 plus 0 upon 2, 3 plus -1 upon 2. That is 0, 1. 0, 1. Question is this now. You find the area of the triangle found by joining the midpoints of this triangle. So now, if we join these midpoints, so we will get this area. Is it okay? Yani we have to find the area of triangle DEF. Now, area of triangle DEF. Just look here. You can draw a triangle in a rough manner. Suppose this is D, this is E, and this is F. What are the coordinates of point D? 1, 0. coordinates of point E 1, 2, and the coordinates of point F are 0, 1, 0, 1. Now the area of this triangle will be given by let these are x1, y1, the points 1, 2 are denoted by x2, y2, and point F, the coordinates are x3, y3. Now put the formula. The area of triangle will be 1/2 into mod x1 is 1 multiplied with y2 minus y3, 2 minus 1 plus x2 again 1 y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1. What is y3? This one 1 minus 0 plus what is x3? 0, and this will be y1 minus y2. What is y1? 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, and now you will solve this. So what will happen? 1/2 into mod 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 is 1, and this is 0 into something, that is 0. So what will this? 1/2, and just look the mod 1 into 1 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is half multiplied with 1 plus 1 is 2. When this mod will open, this will become 2/2, that is 1 square unit. 1 square unit is the area of triangle DEF. The last point of this question is find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Now we will find the area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC will be given by, first just this is point A, 0, minus 1. This is point B, 2, 1. This is point C, 0, 3. 0, 3. Let these two are denoted by x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x3, y3. Now the area of this triangle will be given by 1/2 into, what is this? x1 is 0, 0 into y2 minus y3, yani 1 minus 3 plus x2 is how much? 2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, 3, and what will happen? Minus 1 plus what is x3? x3 is 0, and y1 minus y2, minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, and this is now just look here, 1 upon 2 mod 0 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 3 minus 1 3 plus 1 or plus 0, and that is minus 0 into minus 2, 0 into minus 2. Now just look here, 1 upon 2, 0 into something is 0, 2 into 4, what is this, 8, and plus 0, that is 1 upon 2 into mod of 8, that is 8 upon 2, that is 4 square unit. So what is the area of triangle ABC? 4 square unit. Now question is this, कि find the ratio of this area, यानी area of DEF to given triangle, यानी ABC. Now the required ratio. Now area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC will be, this is 1 upon 4, and the required ratio is 1 ratio 4, 1 ratio 4. So what will be the ratio of area of this triangle to the given triangle? 1 ratio 4, 1 ratio 4. Now this is the next question. Prove that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. This you have studied in class 9. Prove that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. To verify this result for triangle ABC, you have to verify this result for triangle ABC, whose vertices are given 4, minus 6, 3, minus 2, and 5, 2. 5, 2. This is the triangle ABC. Let D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of side BC. Okay, so then what will be the coordinate of point D? What will be the coordinate of point D? This is 3, yani x1 plus x2 upon 2, 3 plus 5 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, that is 4, 0, 4, 0. And now this is your median. This AD is the median. This AD is the median. What is the definition of a median? The line segment joining the midpoints of any side of a triangle to its opposite vertex is known as median. It means AD is the median. Now what we have to prove? That this median divides the whole triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. Means the area of triangle ABD should be equal to area of triangle ADC. So now just look at here. This is triangle ABD. ABD, we have put the vertices here, and we will find the area of this triangle by using this formula. So what you will get the area of this triangle? 3. What is the area of this triangle? 3 square unit. And similarly the area of triangle ADC, this is ADC. ADC, again you will apply same formula and you will get again the area 3. 3 square unit. 3 square unit. Now what you are observing? We are observing that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Is it okay? Area of this triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC, and this is verified now. And this is verified. Is it okay? Now just look at this question, exercise 7.2, question number 6, which is based on again the coordinates of midpoint. Coordinates of midpoint. So just look here. This is the question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. These vertices are taken in order. Either you will write in this way 1, 2, 4y, x, 6, this one, or 1, 2, then you can write 4y. You can't write like this 1, 2, then x, 6, then this, then this. No, they are taken in order. It means first you will write 1, 2 at this corner, then 4y in this corner, then x, 6 here and this here. तो कहते हैं they are taken in order. The vertices of parallelogram are taken in order. Find the value of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Is it okay? Now just look here. These find the values of x and y. Just look here. This is one of the diagonal of parallelogram AC, and this is the another diagonal BD. These are the diagonals of parallelogram. Just look at the solution. Now, if you join them, AC and BD are the diagonals of parallelogram ABCD, and diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Is it there? The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. What does it mean? It means O is the midpoint of which one? AC as well as BD. By seeing the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, it means O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. As well as BD. So now, using diagonal AC, the coordinate of point O coordinate of point O, what they will? Just look here. 1 plus x upon 2, comma 2 plus 6 upon 2. Yani they are, we can write x upon this one 2, and this is 8 upon 2. This is equation number 1. Now again we will use the diagonal BD. Using diagonal BD, again the coordinates of point O. Again the coordinates of point O. What they will? Just look here. This one. 3 plus 4 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. That is 7 upon 2 and y plus 5 upon 2. This is equation second. Now just look here. The equation number 1 and equation number 2, that is showing कि both are the midpoints of, both are the coordinates of point O. Both are the coordinates of point O. It means the abscissas will be equal because both are the coordinates of point O. This one also, this one also. It means abscissa is same or ordinate is same. It means x plus 1 upon 2 will be 7 upon 2 and 8 upon 2 will be equal to y plus 5 upon 2 because they are the coordinate of same point. So abscissa will be same and the ordinate will also be same. So now what will happen? Just look here. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to how much? 7 upon 2. So from here you can get the value. X plus 1 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 6. The value of x is equal to 6. And what is now? This 8 upon 2 is equal to y plus 5 upon 2. That is 8 is equal to y plus 5. So y will be equal to 3. Y will be equal to 3. So these are the values of x and y. These are the values of x and y. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 3. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.